Look at. Let's say hi.
This is Indy. That's her call name. Her registered name is Grand Champion JRF Evercrest. Stop, look, and listen. There's always excitement. There's always disappointment. And you have to learn to handle that sometimes the judge doesn't like your dog. And you're only paying for that judge's opinion that day, so the next day is going to be different. I can sit back and admire everybody that does this. That we all get up early, we drive for hours, we're paying outrageous fees to enter the shows, to be in the hotels, to eat the food, and go home with a ribbon that's worth 20 cents. That's, we're doing it for the points. And no money. We don't get paid for this. We don't win money as a prize. It's the glory. It's the leaving our mark on something, I think.